Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my dump truck business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that we'll walk through the business plan template for my dump truck, and I'll show y'all what's included. And once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my dump truck business plan template. So if and when you do purchase the business plan template for my dump truck, you open up the Word document, which you're going to find as the title page. What most of my clients are going to do is they're going to move business plan down here, and then they're going to change the wording dump truck to whether it be their organization name or it could even be their logo. And the second page is going to be the table of contents. Add a little bit of meat to the bone, fill in all the information, make it yours. Once you're done, come back to the table of contents, hit update table, update entire table, click on OK, and your headers and your page numbers will update accordingly. The next section is going to be the executive summary section. This is just a summary of your business plan. Anywhere that you see yellow, I suggest you read and make sure it's aligned with your company. Anything that's in parentheses, for example, company name, go ahead and change out that information with your information. Executive summary section is going to include the dump truck summary, target market, financial highlights, and the funding request. Next section is going to be the company description. And in this company description, you've got various areas such as your dump truck summary, services offered segment, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and this section ends with your business objectives and timeline. And then the next section is going to be the industry analysis. For the industry analysis, I get my information from IBIS World. In my opinion, IBIS World is the industry leader and industry expert. So I research dump truck services and summarize their information. Also give you a nice little smart art right here. And then finally, I went ahead and added a products and services segmentation as well. And we are now up to the SWOT analysis. Your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. To update it, just click it. You click on this little arrow and then change the wording as you see fit. We're now at the organizational structure. And for the organizational structure, this is broken into two segments, which is just going to be the legal structure and then the organizational chart. For the organizational chart, again, just a smart art, just click on it. Click on the out arrow and then just update this information as you see fit. Next section is going to be the marketing section. For the marketing section, traditionally for my dump truck drivers, my dump truck companies, they're going to market in three segments, which is going to be the traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So again, read through it and make sure this information is applicable to your company. Finally, the next section is going to be the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? Your term expected, interest rates expected. And then we're at the financial projections. Financial projections, they're going to come from a separate financial model, which I'll go over in just a second. For the financial projections, they're broken up into the first 12-month projections. And those monthly projections for the first 12 months are broken up monthly as well as quarterly. For example, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. 4 through 6, quarter 2. And then we have our 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we have our month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, our pro forma income statement, summary of your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the first 5 years. All right, and where you're going to get that information from is going to be the financial model. So the financial model is also included in the purchase of the template for the dump truck company. And you've got 4 tabs, which could be your information page tab. And then you're going to have your projections tab, which is just a summary of the information, profit and loss, and then the income statement tab. All your changes are going to be made on the information page. I do have a tutorial that is available that's going to help you walk through and how to use this. But the segments included in this section is going to be your daily sales, your labor, and your startup costs, your monthly fixed costs. Anywhere you see in the darker color cells, you can change that information. You've got your monthly fixed cost section, miscellaneous information section, growth rate section, and then we've got our loan information. Anytime you change any of these cells, then your projections, your summary of your projections will be updated. Your profit and loss for the next 12 months will be updated, and your income statement, all those numbers will be updated as well. And then once you're done, you just make a copy of your financial statement, hit Control-C, take it to the Word document, paste it, and you now have your updated financials based on your information. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.